Oh yeah, before I forget, there's a bloke subscribed to me the other day, said he just started up a YouTube channel. I gave him a look. Hey, he's making videos on some of the stuff I like, so I'll give him a shout out. His channel name is James Abroad. Seems like a switched on cookie. I think he's got close to 150 subscribers at the moment. He'll get a lot more. He'll fly by me. He's better at videoing than me. Speaks very good Thai, a lot better than me. I've enjoyed his videos so far anyway. See how he goes. Hope he don't turn into an e-beggar. Anyway, that's up to him. Alright, I usually start my exercises by walking. You know, as you're getting old, your old joints are stiff. If you start running too early, you know, you pull ligament, you get tendon pain problems, stretching, and the ankles, knees and hips. Rocky don't care, he's young. I say, Mimi's shop, she's going well. She's got plenty of custom lined up. It's a bit like hairdressing, you see. This business, it's got a never-ending supply of customers. You know, everybody that's been to Thailand or knows anything about Thailand and Thai people, they know that they like to party. They like to dress up on special occasions, and in this area, you know, they like to wear their silk. So there's always people wanting new silk clothes adjusting, and we researched the market, and there's only 1 or 2 people around here that do it, but they haven't been trained like the woman who trained Mimi. So they're limited in what they can and what they do, and they're all busy anyway. But a lot of them do a lot of tailoring adjustments with just normal clothes, so they get swamped down with that. There you go, truck full of shit. Going out to the fields, natural fertilizer from the cows. Speaking of cows, you see they come out this time in the morning. They'll be out all day, browsing, grazing, whatever they do. And again, people might think it's boring living here, but it's down to yourself. I've been having quite a few discussions with Mike, but I'm a lot younger than him. I don't have the health problems that he has, and I get out and about. I don't get bored. He don't believe me most of the time, but that's his problem, not mine. I just like the knockabout I have with him. He's a grumpy old bastard, but so am I. But I enjoy being grumpy. There's a difference. Okay then, this is what I was going to talk about. There's another thing that they moan about, not just the water, the drought, etc, 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 but it's pollution. Now, as you can see here, look at the fields. You don't see any burning there at all. I said before in a previous video, you don't get much burning here, and the same over that side. Like that field over there, much better to plough the the stubble in and let it rot down naturally. You don't need to burn it. Of course a few do, but I don't know. That's why I don't understand why so many expats or backpackers, whatever, want to go visit and live in Chiang Mai. They go visit for a day or two. And once you start coughing your guts up, get out. We're not trees. We're not rooted in one place. See, here, it's lovely. Clear skies. Sweet, lovely, fresh air. He likes going in cool down. He's been chasing the cows. What do you want? Huh? What do you want? Come on, big old boy. Huh? Hey. Okay. Come on. Hey. Come on then. Right, let's crack on. I don't want to get trampled. Too old to dodge angry bovines. Right then. Basically run up by the clong, just on a lap around the lake. Become my favourite place to sit and ponder things. Nice and peaceful and quiet. It's a lovely lake. Go on, Rocky, in. Go on. Go on then. Come on, in. Gives him a chance to go in and relax. Cool off a bit. Sit down. That nice? Hey? This lake, I've never seen it drop well below this level really. It's about as low as it does get. It's a lovely lake, clear water. Get a lot of bird life on there. But if I'm guilty of wasting money in Thailand, then there's definitely one thing I've wasted money on. That's a fishing rod. Oh, hot. Just trying to look at my microphone icon. Because of the sun, sweating my eyes, it's hard to see if I've got the red cross icon on, but I'll find out when I go to edit. Hey. That white gungy shit from around my lips. Hey, like I say, I ain't got a clue how to fish. I don't like it. I just find it so boring. Don't really like fish much anyway to eat. You interrupting me again? Go on, out. So we had the budget yesterday, and before the budget, in collusion with the Chancellor, that complete idiot. Oh, I can't stand the man, Mark Carney, Governor of the Bank of England. Thankfully he's leaving soon, but before he did his damnedest to dump on the pound again by lowering interest rates to an all-time historic low of 0.25%. So anybody with any savings in the UK, don't leave money in the bank, put it elsewhere, invest in other things. I've not checked, but obviously gold has shot up, which is what usually happens in times of world crisis. Stock exchange crashes, people buy gold. Hey, oh, he's got to live with what happens. It's been a big hit for me, losing 20,000 baht a month for the last 4 years more or less. but I've adapted to it. Now Mimi's got a business, we don't really go out much anyhow. We've been there, done that, seen this, seen that, so not really into it. I can do what I want as well now. She's got a shop. I'm out running. Spend less time on YouTube. I got up to 102 kilograms recently. Now that's over 20 grams heavier than my ideal weight. When I came to Thailand I was 77, 78 kilos, something like that. So sitting on my ass wasn't going to improve things. So I've cut down a lot of my booze. I'm out exercising again, as long as my body, my knees especially, and my hip can put up with it. I'm down to 96 kilos now, so what's that? 6 kilograms. There's 5 kilograms gone. I feel myself getting fitter and stronger as well, every day. I'm sort of doing it in fits and starts. Bit like fartlekking really. Which, you know, pick a point. I'll run to that point. And then do a forced march, sort of fast walk. So I get the breath back, then do another run, walk, run, like that. Hey, it's got to be good. I listen to my body basically. When I know I'm out of breath, doing next to nothing, something not right. Had a lot of back pain. That same old thing, start digging in the garden and pull a back muscle and it goes down the sciatic nerve. But Thai massage is good. I don't take any medicines or anything like that, no steroids, no creams. Just monk and massage paste, massage oil, that kind of thing. I have the old Barney, like I said earlier, with Mike in private messages sometimes. It keeps going on and on about this living the dream. I'm in no illusions. It's not a dream. I just wanted to live somewhere hot. I was going to anyway. Whether it was Spain, Greece, spent time in Bulgaria. It doesn't make no difference to me. But here it's good. It's summer all year, apart from the rain. My brother's moving here, like I said, so I like it. I don't get bored being on my own. I like the isolation. You know, if I want a bit of friend company, I just go into Buriram. Sorry, got plenty of friends there that I can go out and drink with. It's no problem. I know. The longer I've been here, the more I like it. And what's the advice with this coronavirus? Social, what do they call it? I don't know. I'm just trying to think of the term. It's not social isolation, is it? But anyway, I like being isolated. I'm my own man, always have been. If you're not, you know, don't come and live in a place like this. Right, I'm going to get back on my bike. In other words, in English, start running back. That is funny. I'll get back, get showered, cleaned up. Get out on the quad bike. I'll show you the water conservation efforts that they've been making around this area. It's all over the place actually. They've been doing a lot of work on the Mun River. But you know, those places a little bit further away. But you'll see what I mean anyway when I show you the lakes that they've dug out. they basically cleared the eucalyptus forest which used to be here, and that was free for everybody to use. It's like government land. People just used to go in there, cut the eucalyptus for their needs. You weren't allowed to cut and sell it, even though some people did. It was there for, you know, house building, fence building, whatever, those kind of uses. It's getting tangled up in the weeds. I don't want to go in and save you. Come on then, let's go. Get up there. You can see how small he is actually. But his coat, when it's all fluffy, makes him look twice the size, I suppose. He's a pocket rocket. Right, that's enough waffle. Catch you later. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean by fartlecking. You got the width of a paddy. I'll run that from the land border to between the Chinook markings, on the land markings. So I'll walk one, run the next, walk one, run the next. And again, as you see here, there's been no burning. So I'll get to this bit and I'll run the width of this paddy. And then walk to the next one, but I'm going to go over the bridge and go in the land, stay in the shade. This breeze is lovely, which you usually get in the morning. It'll die down by about 9:30, and then it goes still and hot at this time of year normally. And then when I'm running down these tracks, I'll just pick a marker like a big eucalyptus tree, run from that to where maybe a termite mound or another big tree, that kind of thing. So you do this in the morning. Normally get up, check the news, have coffee, read through comments, look through subscription notices, and then usually out and about after 7 do this. And then relax, stretch off, relax. By the time I've had a shower, about 10 o'clock, and just do any chores that I need to do. You know, all this stuff with all the motorbikes I've got, bicycles, cleaning, maintaining, garden. Mimi's mum takes care of the chickens now mostly. Here comes Rocky. Then I've put some miles in him, I tell you. It's a good 6-7 miles there and back anyway, this run what I go on. And he never stops. Well, I mean, if I was in Bangkaew, I know exactly what to do. Go up in the morning, used to go down Pratumnat beach, run along the seafront to Jomtien and back. Then it was same old. Get up, or maybe go in the pool, cool off when I got back. Go up, eat, back, or shopping, usually the stupid market at the end of Soy Bangkaew, which I hated. Made me go in there sometimes, go eat a breakfast in the Retox. Yeah, it's just the same old shit. Shopping, go out on my bike sometimes, but nah, I prefer this life. Howdy Cap? Wing na. Wing na Cap ha. he's a bit tired now, can't be asked. Oh, it's good seeing a newborn calf out with a mum.วิ่งนะกลับบ้านแล้ว